Good morning, LA. Welcome to Zyraka class.
Before we begin, remember that this class is for educational purposes only, is not medical advice. Please work within your own limits. If you experience pain, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, stop immediately and consult your healthcare provider. By participating, you accept responsibility for your own health and safety.
We're going to learn about stiffness in our lower back. I would say this is not for older folks. If you already have a chronic lower back pain, that should be not exercise for you. It's for young kids who's running, who get up in the morning, still stiffness, but no chronic pain, this is for you. If you feel that stiff after walk, find something like a little bit, maybe a couple inches away from the floor. A foam roller book, I use that pad. Now watch me. Step with your toes up, just like that. It's up, toes up. Now I start reaching forward and up. Very slowly, try to touch. Equally spread between my legs, the balance. And also, the foot have to get close as much as possible. It's still great. I feel that nice pulling sensation. Unequal hip for sure, but this is what's correcting it. Now heels. Heels, my toes down. Same thing. Try to reach. Great, a little more. Let it go. Perfect. Now without changing, this one is more for the balance too. Try to get them as much as possible close, even like one line. One forward, one toes down, one toes up. My left one first, and I start reaching that left toes. Try to balance. Try to get up all the way up. Focus on that hip too. This is what the hip correction is happening. Try to balance. You see, you lose the balance, that's fine. Try to come back. That's what you're training for. Better, better. You can't do some exercise without correcting yourself. You're gonna put yourself in danger. If your hip is not ready to do some exercise, your shoulder is not ready, you're just gonna injury. Simple answer. And you're gonna try to fix it for months or years. So prepare yourself for those exercises. Again, one down, one up. Start reaching. All that balance. Poor, very poor. So here we go. I didn't do this for a long time. There we go. I'm getting better, yes. Because this hip is pushing me out, and that's create out of balance. Now I'm correcting that. Try to go all the way up. And let it go. Now, try to see how you feel. Make a couple steps, even lean forward. And look at that. I can touch the ground without any problem. That's what the beauty all about. All right, we've done many division exercise. It's time to reduce our stress. And the first is the saccadic vision. You spread your fingers a little bit wider than your body, and you're gonna start move your eyes quick like this. Look to the left and right. Do not move your head. Try to go fast. Fast, 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 fast. Let it go. Shake yourself up. Right away, start beating yourself a little bit on the chest, right here. This is stress. This is all stress. Every time we stress, you see some scary, dangerous, especially women, they get that reflex, they doing this. They try to hold. That's what the stress, fear is stuck. So just shake it up a little bit, beat up. You probably hear this in microphone. You can do that kind of stuff. Why not? It sounds like AI. No, they sound different. Remember, you in your childhood, they think the robots talk like that, but they're not. They talk like a human. You can't see the difference. Sometimes they have those nice, sexy voice, like that very beautiful voice. Yeah, so not what we expected. It's more, sounds like human. A little bit more beat right here. And next one, hands, right away, hands, the heart meridian. That anxiety right here. Beat it like this. Every morning, you want to do that. Beat. Look, play with your kids. Get the ball. Get those exercise. Get those. It's a neuroplastic exercise for the kids. Make them play those games. Don't make them be foggy. They stuck in the phone. Those pictures, those images. It's very bright, very flashy, and that's create that dysfunction in that brain. They get foggy. So make them do those exercise, all different fingers, eyes exercise, tongue exercise, colors, sound. That's what you're looking for. But we done for today. See how you feel. I do feel 10 by 10. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you on next week, Monday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Really